Welcome back to this course. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the if-else statement. As we are in the section of conditional statement, this is the second video of conditional statement in which we learn about the if-else statement. Now in previous video we have seen that if statement is used to specify a block of code to be executed if our condition is true. But we use else to specify a block of code to be executed when the if condition is false. It is just simple. When you write a condition in the if statement and if that condition is true, then the else part is going to execute. Now remember that at one time only one part will be executed. If the condition is true, then the if block will be executed and the else block will not be executed. But if the if condition is false, then the else block is going to execute only. Looking at the syntax, you see that I have just put the if keyword and then I give the expression. Below that line there is a block of if, and after that I have just typed the else keyword. Then I have specified the body of the else block. Now if that expression or condition is false, then the else block will be executed. Looking at the example. For an example, we have a integer num is equal to 68. Now if num modulus 2 means when we divide 68 by 2 and we will get remainder, and if that remainder is equal to 0, then we will print the number is even, else we will print the number is odd. So let's run our example on our NetBeans IDE. Scanner s1 is equal to new scanner and system.in. Now int num equals to s1 dot next. Now we get the number from the user. Now I type here if num modulus 2 equals to 0, then print number is even. You can also print the number here to make it more better. I type here num concatenation operator is even, and in else block I type here system.out.println num is odd. So before running, I am going to print one more statement here, like system.out.println enter a number to check even or odd. Okay, so now if I run this program, you will see a message enter a number to check even or odd. So I just type here 13. 13 is odd, which is absolutely right. If I run this program once again and type here 90, 90 is even, which is also true. I run this program once again and type here 9999. And now 999 is odd, we know that. So in this way if else block work. Now watch that once I run this program, I give the value, only one block is executed at one time. Both if and else block cannot run at a single time. So at one time only one block will be executed. I hope you understand that how if and else block works. This is definitely very helpful for us in our project also. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. If you feel any problem, then don't hesitate to ask me a question. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.